Welcome to the CryptoTalks crypto class. Today we will learn about an important concept in the crypto market, liquidity. Liquidity means how easily you can buy or sell a cryptocurrency without causing a big change in its price. When a market has many buyers and sellers, it has high liquidity. This means trades happen quickly and prices stay stable. But when there are very few buyers and sellers, the market has low liquidity. This can cause sudden and large price movements. Liquidity is very important because it makes trading easier, faster, and safer for investors.
Now you know what liquidity is in cryptocurrency. Follow the Crypto Talks to learn more about crypto.